So Elon Musk said this on World Economic Forum.
But if you have billions of humanoid robots, and I think there will be, then I think everyone on Earth is going to have one and going to want one, because who wouldn't want a robot to, assuming it's very safe, watch over your kids, take care of your pet. If you have elderly parents, a lot of friends of mine said they have elderly parents. It's very difficult to take care of them.
Expensive.
Yeah, it's expensive, and there just aren't enough people to take care of there aren't enough young people to take care of the old people.
Right.
So if you had a robot that could take care of and protect an elderly parent, I think that would be great. That would be an amazing thing to have. I think we will have those things.
Yeah, sure. Why not build robots to do these lame tasks, right? I mean, how disconnected from normal life do you have to be to suggest something like this? So you don't have time to watch over your kids and take care of your parents? Then what do you have time for? Why do you want to save that time? To do more meaningful things? What is more meaningful than raising your children? What is more meaningful than being there for the very people that raised you? But let me tell you, these billionaires are many things. Stupid is not one of them. What actually worries me is the future where, just like many things today, they would spend a ton of money to create artificial need for these robots. And people already have to work 9, 10, sometimes 12 hours a day just to survive. And they'll make people believe that having these robots will make their lives easy. But what would really happen is that they'll have to work even more to afford these robots. And these robots will be sitting in their houses, watching everything, collecting data, learning their routines. The situation with privacy is going to get worse. I don't know, man. What is this obsession with building humanoid robots? You can't have human slaves, so you want human-like slaves now? Why do they have to look like humans at all? We all saw that miserable demo for the robot named Neo, and now this again? Why can't you build better machines that do one thing and one thing only, but do it really well? It's such a missed opportunity with this technology, man. Just don't make general purpose robots. Build smaller robots to do only specific tasks. Build a robot that's world class at cleaning floors. Build a chair or an exoskeleton that gives superpowers to elderly people, that lets them walk and lift things. There are a bunch of other similar opportunities like this. And these specialist robots would not only be cheaper, they would be more reliable, easier to build and improve, and actually helpful. People want to automate the boring stuff, the repetitive tasks. They want to get rid of the soul crushing labor so that they're able to spend more time on art. They're able to spend more time on creativity. They are able to spend more time with their loved ones. And they're able to spend more time in doing what they love. Your whole focus is wrong. It shouldn't be the other way around. You are trying to automate creativity. You are trying to imitate the art. You are building machines that encourage humans to spend less time with their loved ones. You're spending money on the wrong things. Nobody wants a robot for $20,000 that has 20 useless features and just one good feature that barely works. Nobody wants a robot to get the door for their guests. They want to welcome them in person. It's basic manners. And maybe that's what these tech CEOs need to learn before they build these humanoid robots.